So this is a really important step. In the search bar, type task manager and then click here to open it. This will open a new window, task manager. Then on this window we need to click on file, select run new task and then click here. So you need to follow my screen. We need to open C drive, so click here and then open C drive. Now open Windows folder, then open system32 folder, scroll down and search for cmd and then click on open. Now check this box, select OK. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. For that, open Google Chrome and then in the search bar type google.com and hit enter. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now from the search results, click on this link which is from www.hows.tech and then just scroll down and search for command number 12 and then right click here and select copy. And to paste this command on the command prompt, right click here, select edit and simply click on paste, then hit enter to execute this command. After that, copy command number 13, so right click and select copy and then simply paste this command on command prompt, then hit enter. After that, type exit to close this window. Go to search bar and type here File Explorer, then click here to open it. Now go to C drive, open Windows folder, scroll down and open Software Distribution folder, then open Download folder, select all the files, right click on it and just delete them. Close this window. Again go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it, and once done just close the command prompt window. Now click on Windows icon and click on run. Now type here temp and click on OK. Again select all these files and delete them. Again open run, type here %temp% and click on OK. Again select these all files and delete it. Close this window. Again go to start and select run, type prefetch, then click on OK. Again you need to select all these files, right click and select delete. Go to search bar, type troubleshoot settings, then go to other troubleshooters and simply run the Windows Update option. It will try to detect all the problems on the machine. After that, go to virus and threat protection. Then select quick scan or you can also select full scan and click on scan now. Full scan will take some time to complete all the process. Simultaneously you can open File Explorer and click on these three dots and just click on option. After that go to View tab. You can check this option, that is show hidden files, and uncheck this option, then click on apply and OK. After that close this window, go to search bar, type regedit and just run as administrator. It will open registry editor window. Expand HK local machine, then expand software folder, expand Microsoft folder, scroll down and expand Windows folder, then go to current version and scroll down, select one folder, right click on it and just click on delete it. Select as. Now close this window. Now we need to open File Explorer. Again click on the three dots, open option, go to View tab and check this option and uncheck this one. Now go to search bar, type here cmd, run as administrator. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy it and paste it here. After that hit enter to execute them. Now go for the second one and hit enter. Then paste third command here and hit enter. Now paste this command here and again hit enter to execute it. And then close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.